Is it time to buy or sell Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Ordinary Share stock? In this video, we will explore Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Ordinary Shares in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, and now we are here to offer a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 22nd of August, 2025, our system has ranked Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Ordinary Shares as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.43. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 35.67% since we first listed Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Ordinary Shares as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.88% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is situated in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 39.76% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 2.30% to 97.80%. Our latest daily update for Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Ordinary Shares includes the headline, Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Limited stock upgraded to buy candidate. The stock price of Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Limited decreased by 0.84% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 18th of September, 2025, falling from $9.55 to $9.47. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 5.01%, moving from a low of $9.29 to a high of $9.75. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown a gain of 20.33%. Interestingly, trading volume declined alongside the stock price, which is a positive sign, as volume typically follows price movements. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 321,000 shares, with a total of 92,000 shares exchanged, amounting to approximately 867,620 cents. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $14.30, while the lowest price was $3.50. Currently, the price stands 33.78%, or $4.83, below the 52-week high of $14.30, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Zhengye Biotechnology, known as ZYBT, is a newly listed NASDAQ veterinary vaccine manufacturer that raised approximately $6,900,000 in its January 2025 initial public offering after underwriters exercised the full over-allotment. Management describes fiscal year 2024 as a transformational period, highlighting strategic shifts and efforts to diversify its customer base while navigating a challenging domestic market. These strategies may compress near-term margins as the company repositions itself. However, successful diversification could foster revenue stability and long-term growth in a global animal vaccine market that remains fundamentally attractive. A significant near-term risk emerged in May 2025 when NASDAQ notified Zhengye of a delayed Form 20F filing, creating compliance and delisting risks that may induce short-term volatility and investor sell-offs until disclosures are updated. For shareholders, the proceeds from the IPO and restructuring indicate funding and a roadmap for scaling up, which could enhance the stock's value over time if execution improves. Conversely, persistent reporting or operational challenges are likely to maintain pressure on the share price in the near term. Analysts have assigned Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Ordinary Shares a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also give the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Zhengye Biotechnology Holding ordinary shares. The Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Ltd stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $9.81. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $8.07. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, September 15, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 11.41%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as MACD. Volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which is technically positive. It is important to note that this stock may experience low liquidity at times, which elevates the overall risk. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 27 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 28 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 14 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Zhengye Biotechnology Holding ordinary shares. Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Limited finds support from accumulated volume at $9.21. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to exhibit significant movement throughout the day, resulting in high volatility. Combined with periodic low trading volume, this stock is regarded as very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated 465 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or 5.01%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 13.89%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Zhengye Biotechnology Holding ordinary shares. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Zhengye Biotechnology Holding ordinary shares is at $9.49. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Zhengye Biotechnology Holding ordinary shares meets its first support level at $9.21. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.91, which reflects a decrease of 5.96%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, resulting in significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Zhengye Biotechnology Holding ordinary share stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that now may be an opportune time to consider buying. There is a favorable chance for Zhengye Biotechnology Holding Limited stock to perform well in the near term. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a hold to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 19th of September, we anticipate that Zhengye Biotechnology Holding ordinary shares will open higher by approximately 3 cents, starting at $9.50. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, You agree to be responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.